And it's a very warm welcome to another Thailand Threads. This time we're looking at the Diamond Cave Resort on Railay Beach on the eastern side. That's the East Pier there in the distance, the blue floating pier. Railay Beach in Krabi. If you go to Onang, you can get a long-tail boat. Just come round the headland there and find yourself at Railay Beach. Most boats land on the west side. Hopefully you'll enjoy the aerial shots of the resort and of the surrounding area. As you can see, when the ferry drops you off at that terminal, the floating pier east, it's just probably a 5-minute walk to get from there all the way around to the actual resort. This is the huge limestone cliff overlooking the Diamond Cave Resort, surrounded by hills on all sides. It really is a fantastic and peaceful place to stay. And if I can add, very, very reasonable in price. I booked through booking.com and it was less than £10 with my discount. Can you believe it? This is my little detached bungalow with its little veranda, a nice big bed, tiled floor. You've got the usual amenities, hairdrier, kettle, mini fridge. The bathroom, quite small but powerful enough shower, and lots of light coming in during the day. There you can see it's nestled right underneath that huge cliff. There's your breakfast. Breakfast was included, by the way. A lot of the chalets, bungalows were getting renovated at the time because it's low season. And this is another view of the East Pier, long-tail boats there. As I said, most long-tail boats, especially if they're from Onang, land on the other side. Another view of the bungalow. Lots of palm trees. It's simply stunning. If you look at the photographs, you'll be absolutely awestruck. And this is the east side. Have a look at my review of the west side of Railay Beach and the Sand Sea Resort. That's going to be coming up very shortly, so make sure you hit the subscribe button or the notification bell so you know when that's uploaded. Railay Beach, my paradise on earth. It really is that good. Lots of little restaurants round about if you want to go out for your evening meal or your dinner. Good prices as well, compared to Phuket, compared to Phi Phi. Just another view of that awesome cliff. So at the bottom of this cliff, that is the actual Diamond Cave where the resort gets its name. You do have to pay to go in. You take about 10 minutes to look around, but it's well worth it. The sad thing about when I was there is the pool was getting renovated. It would be absolutely fantastic to have a little swim in there, have a little dip. There's the Diamond Cave on the left. It would be absolutely fantastic to be in that pool and just gaze at the wonder of the limestone cliffs. A few other little resorts dotted around. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you.